Hello guys, good day. For now, I have a Audi Q5 2017 model. So, 2017. So I will show you where's the location of this relay. It's a glow plug relay, guys. So, actually, the problem of this one is all glow plugs faulty. It's inactive. So now guys, I want to change first this relay. So here's the location. Yeah, here's guys, engine compartment near on the motor. So here's this guys. There guys. So okay, thank you for watching guys.